Setting up a family password vault that everyone can use doesn't have to be complicated. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a password vault that's both secure and easy for your family to access. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools you need to securely store passwords, notes, and other important information, and share it with your family in a way that makes everyone feel safe. Now, I know you've probably seen tons of options out there, but I've tried most of the popular software options. And today, I'm going to walk you through my top choice for setting up a family password vault that everyone can actually use. First things first, you want to choose a software that offers family sharing features. This is crucial because you want to make sure that everyone in your family can access the vault, but still keep everything secure. The software we'll be using today is simple, intuitive, and has a solid family sharing system. Once you've selected your software, start by setting up an account for yourself. After that, you'll need to add family members. Most software makes this super easy by simply sending an invite through email. They'll be able to create their own login and get access to the vault. Now that you've got everyone on board, it's time to set up your vault. Inside, you'll want to create different folders or categories based on what types of information you're storing. For example, create folders for banking info, social media logins, important notes, and anything else your family needs. Next, start adding your passwords and other important info to those folders. This process is usually as easy as clicking a button and entering the details, like a username and password, and then saving it. The software will encrypt everything for you, so you don't need to worry about it being exposed. For even more security, I recommend enabling two-factor authentication for your account. This adds an extra layer of protection in case your password ever gets compromised. It's quick to set up and can prevent unauthorized access. Once your vault is set up and everyone's added, go ahead and test it out by having family members log in and check if they can access the right folders. You want to make sure that everything's working smoothly before you start storing sensitive information. A key feature of the software I'm recommending is its cross-platform availability. Whether you're using a phone, tablet, or computer, your vault is accessible anywhere, so your family can get to their information no matter what device they're on. To make sure everyone uses the vault consistently, it's important to set a family rule about updating passwords. If someone changes a password, they should update it in the vault immediately, so everyone has the most up-to-date info. Now, before I finish, here's your key takeaway. Setting up a family password vault that everyone can use isn't just about storing passwords. It's about creating a safe, accessible place for your family to manage and share important info securely. Don't forget to choose software that supports family sharing, create folders for different categories, and always enable two-factor authentication. To wrap up, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we've been using. The link is in the description below, and this trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so you'll get a chance to follow along step by step and set up your own vault. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to protect your family's data with a secure, easy-to-use vault today.